this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to edit your full DJ set with AI. If you record your DJ sets but never actually post them, this video is for you. Because honestly, recording the set is the easy part, and then afterwards, you're stuck with hours of footage, different camera angles, separate audio, a huge timeline, and suddenly what should be a simple upload turns into 4 or 5 hours of editing. And that's exactly what SetCut is for. SetCut is an AI editor made specifically for DJs. You upload your camera footage, you upload your master audio, and it automatically syncs everything, builds the full multicam edit, and then it helps you export finished DJ set way faster and upload directly to YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to edit your full DJ set with AI. Now, all you do is upload everything into SetCut. Now, instead of opening Premiere, creating a timeline, dragging it in every camera, trying to get everything lined up manually, I'm going to open SetCut, and from here, I'm just going to upload my camera files, drop in my angles, then upload the master audio, and this is where AI starts doing the heavy lifting. Normally, this is one of the most annoying parts of editing a DJ set. You have to line up every camera angle, match it to the audio, zoom in on the waveform, shift things around, and if you have multiple cameras, it gets messy fast. With SetCut, the AI automatically syncs the footage to the master audio, so the camera and audio are lined up without having to manually build the timeline. That alone saves a huge amount of time. Now, once everything is synced, I can generate the full edit. SetCut looks at all the footage and builds a multicam edit automatically. SetCut creates the edit plan for me. Now I have a full timeline, and with the camera switches already built in, I can still review it, I can still make changes. You can change the camera angles like this, but I'm not starting from zero anymore. I'm starting from a finished edit. That's the difference. If there's a camera angle you don't like, I can change it. If there's a section I want to trim, I can trim it. If I want to adjust the flow, I can make those changes. But the key thing is I'm not spending hours building the edit from scratch, just making small tweaks, and that's it. It makes this workflow so much faster. Now you can export the full DJ set, and once the edit looks good, export it. This gives me the full finished YouTube ready DJ video. Instead of having raw footage just sitting on my hard drive, now I have a multicam DJ set I can actually publish. And this is the part most DJs miss. You don't grow from recording sets, you grow from posting them. The footage doesn't do anything if nobody sees it. And the other big advantage is short form content. Now, once the full set is edited, SetCut can help you transform the same performance into 30 clips, 40 clips, endless content. You can create the content for your entire month just with one click of a button. Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So one DJ set can become a full YouTube video, plus a bunch of short clips, drop moments, crowd reactions, build-ups, transitions. Those are the pieces of content that keep you visible between shows. Now, this is why I think AI editing is such a big deal for DJs, because most DJs already have the content, they have already recorded their sets, they've already have the footage. Problem is that editing becomes the bottleneck. And when editing takes 4 or 5 hours, you stop posting consistently. Now, SetCut changes that workflow. I mean, now it's record, upload, generate, review, export. That's it. And once you remove the editing bottleneck, you can publish more consistently, more full sets, more short form clips, more proof that you can perform, more chances for fans and promoters and venues to actually see what you do. If you're looking for the fastest way to edit your DJ set with AI, this is the workflow I'd use. Or record your camera angles, export your master audio, upload everything into SetCut, let AI sync and build the edits, make a few tweaks, and export a full set and the short form clips. If you want to try SetCut, I'll leave a link in the description below, or you go to setcutai.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.